So I'm going to do an eyeshadow tutorial today for you. I'm going to be using this palette. I'll show you which colors we'll be doing. But to start off with, we're going to get our fluffy brush. And I'm going to come in with this brown here for above the crease. We're just going to kind of go back and forth, holding more towards the end, give you a little more control, but also so you're not putting too much pressure, but it blends a little bit easier. And then next I'm going to come in with this little tiny brush here. I'm going to get this purple and I'm just going to keep it on this outer corner. I'm just going to kind of draw around that outer corner there. And don't forget, before you start, to always put on eye primer and set it with some powder. Next, I'm going to come in with a flat brush, and I'm going to get this bronzy color here, and I'm going to just kind of come in next to that outer corner color that we used and blend it into that. And try to stay about to this, right to the halfway mark. And then I'm gonna get a smaller flat brush and get this bright shimmer. Put that along the inner corner. This white and highlight below the brow bone. And then I'm going to get a little bit of that same white and just put it along the inner corner. Just sweep it in just a little bit. And I want to go back and get that brown on the tip of the flat brush and just kind of sweep it under here just to tie it in a little bit. And then a little bit of that purple as well that we used. Bring that one further towards the corner. Okay, I'm going to finish off the other eye and put on some mascara, and I'll show you the finished look. Alright, I finished off with some mascara and some lip gloss, and this is the final look. This is the lip gloss that I used, and I will link below all the products so that you can find them. And thanks for watching. See you next time.